I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming account access and verifying two-step authentication so Google permits recovery actions. Once done, check whether you're on a workspace account because Vault or the admin console can restore messages. If so, request a retention export. Meanwhile, on your device look for Android or iCloud backups and any third-party archive files. These are the first actionable sources. Make sure to note timestamps and account ID so you target the correct conversation threads during restoration. You now perform the core restore steps. If Vault export exists, download the export and use the admin restore tools to place messages back into the original account. If relying on device backups, extract chat databases or do a selective restore to avoid overwriting newer data. Once you have Mbox or JSON exports, import them into a temporary account to verify integrity and thread continuity. Be methodical, preserve originals, compare timestamps, and avoid merging until you confirm the import is accurate. You finish by validating restored threads in Google Chat and confirming participants and timestamps are correct. Once satisfied, update retention policies to prevent future loss. Check audit logs in the admin console to confirm message repopulation and note any skipped items. If something goes wrong, try clearing app cache, force a sync, or re-import into the temp account, then move items back. If retention or export errors persist, escalate to your workspace admin or open a Google support case with export ID and log snippet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.